I'll admit that heaven is a place I've found. No, it ain't up in the clouds.
Saan tayo, pre? Mag-chicks na lang tayo, pre. Tayo doon sa may court para maglaro tayo ng basketball. Ang gagawin natin? Pagkain! Oo. Eh, dudes, nakabangga ka, dudes. Masama mo naman, par. Kababaan ka lalaki mo na tao. Ay!
Sabay na natin si ate sa yung nabangga ko kanina.
Parang bro, tawagin mo, bro. Abulin mo. Nakakawa naman. Ate.
Can't let you go and
Sumabay ka na sa amin.
everything's so clear.
Iatid ka namin. Okay lang ba?
Standing here. It's time for me
Bebe, samahan mo nga ako banda ron. Saan? Doon.
that
Sige.
let this chance go by.
Basta, matutuwa ka sa gagawin ko.
Life,
Punod ka na lang.
five more words I'll say to show that
Hanggang sa humantong na ang pinakamasiyang araw na tatatak sa kanilang
it was you. Everything you stand for and your classy style. You can flip a messed up day
Maria,
with just
pwede ba
one
kita maging
smile.
kasindahan?
I don't have to tell you, 'cause
Yes!
you already know.
Bro, sinagot niya na ako, bro. Sige, bro. Yes!
Waiting for. And I don't know what took me so long. Baby, you too good, I can't let you go and
At slowly, naging mas matibay ang kanilang relasyon.
got you standing here. It's time for me to let you know that I can't let this chance go by. I need you in my life. Five more words I'll say to show that all